valedictory ceremony of the 5th Kudremukh Trophy and All India Open Field Rating Rapid Chess Tournament 2022. As we have soothed our minds with this beautiful, enthralling dance performance from Swastik National School of Urva, now we want to interact with you. Ideas are the currency of our next success. Words have energy and power with the ability to help, to heal, hinder. Requesting the participants and the parents of the junior participants to reveal their experiences and suggest for improvising in future with your valuable feedback and ideas. I kindly request the parents and the participants to please come to the stage, to the dais, and give your feedback.
Everyone, my name is Lakshit T. The tournament was well organized and the food was good and the food was given on time. So I enjoyed the tournament and liked the tournament. I hope other tournaments like federated tournaments come up again. And the Mangaluru, I came to Mangaluru the first time.
Thank you, baby.
Thank you.
एवं उनके जो सम्मानित गार्जियंस आए हुए हैं, मैं तो ये जानता हूँ कि जो मेरा अनुभव है सभी ने वही अनुभव किया होगा। ये टूर्नामेंट जो है ऐसा प्रतीत होता है कि जैसे किसी बारात में आप लोग आए हुए हैं, किसी का शादी है, वो है फंक्शन हो रहा है, उस फंक्शन क्या में जैसा खाना पीना रहना की व्यवस्था होती है, मैं कहता हूँ कि उससे अच्छी हुई होगी, ख़राब तो नहीं है। और और टूर्नामेंट्स का भी मैं अनुभव आपको बता रहा हूँ। टूर्नामेंट्स में एंट्री फीस भी बहुत ज़्यादा लेते हैं और खाने और रहने का भी खर्चे का बजट आप लोगों के ऊपर डाल देते हैं। गार्जियंस का सेपरेट पड़ता है, प्लेयर्स के अतिरिक्त पड़ता है। राजस्थान में जो टूर्नामेंट होते हैं, मैं उसी को छोड़ करके आप लोगों के टूर्नामेंट में, क्योंकि यहाँ के लोगों में बड़ा प्यार मिलता है। और मैं तो ये देखता हूँ कि बच्चों के खेलने के लिए जो स्पेस गार्डन मिला है, जिसमें झूले वूले सभी थे, बच्चों ने भी एंजॉय किया है और सभी लोगों ने भी एंजॉय, बच्चों के साथ हम लोगों ने भी एंजॉय किया है। आप लोगों ने भी किया होगा। अच्छा, मैं आपको चेस के बारे में एक नई चीज़ बता देना चाहता हूँ कि चेस का आविष्कार जो है भारत का है और भारत में द्वापर युग का है, त्रेता में नहीं है। त्रेता में तो रॉकेट युग, जो आज का युग चल रहा है कि आग बरसाते थे, रॉकेट भेजते थे, वापस बाण मार करके वापस आ जाते थे, वो आज का युग है। और द्वापर में शतरंज का हुआ है। अभिमन्यु वध में चक्रव्यूह की रचना की गई और उसमें भी हाथी सवार, घोड़ा, पैदल सेना और जो रथ है वो उस वक्त का ऊँट, आज के समय का ऊँट है। शतरंज अपने आप में मेडिटेशन भी है। मेडिटेशन इस मामले में कि आप रामदेव जी के योग में बैठेंगे तो वो भी योग ही है। उसमें आपका ध्यान केंद्रित नहीं हो पाता, एक जगह केंद्रित नहीं हो पाता, कुछ ना कुछ ख्याल आते रहते हैं। लेकिन जब आप शतरंज में बैठ जाते हैं तो खाना भी भूल जाएंगे, कौन आया कौन क्या कह रहा है वो भी सुना और अनसुना हो जाता है। यानी ये योगा शक्ति, ये चिकित्सा भी है। मैं अपनी बात को ख़त्म करता हूँ। सब अनुभव मेरा बहुत वो अच्छा रहा, सभी लोगों का प्यार मिला। धन्यवाद।
धन्यवाद सर जी, आप जैसे लोग खेल के चेस को इतने तक बढ़ाया तो हम उसको आगे लेके जाएंगे। धन्यवाद।
एवरीवन, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಸಮಕ್ಷ್। ನಾನು ಈ ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬಂದಿರೋದು। ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ಫುಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ಲೇ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಆಟಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ, ಮತ್ತು ತುಂಬ ಜಾಗ ಇತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಫಿಟ್ ಆಗೋ ಅಂತ। ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ತುಂಬ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಇತ್ತು, 2 ಹಾಲ್ಗಳಿತ್ತು, ಆಗ ಏನು ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತು ಅಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ರೌಡ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ। ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನಾನು ತುಂಬ ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆ ಥರ ಇದು ನನ್ನ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಡಿರೋದು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
I have two kids under 5. One is girl and one boy. This is her 10th tournament. And this is so comfortable for me handling two kids because of the play area. And of course the volunteers were so good that when they wanted a double chair, they never said no. They went where they were and they had put it that. And even once by mistake I made my son sit in a wrong place, and the arbiters were so good that they changed him, and he didn't feel this was not his home. He was very comfortable. He's just playing his second match. So thank you all for the organizers, volunteers, arbiters and everybody. Thank you.
My name is Badri Narayanan Sampath. I am working in Qatar. I attended so many countries tournament, Qatar, India, Sri Lanka, and so many places I took my son. I honestly to say, such a nice hospitality, environment, food, menu, playing area, kids, especially I would like to everyone to clap their hands for the cleaners. They are cleaning every time. They are maintaining the toilets. They are cleaning the places. You can go and see there is no wastage in their places. Thank you, organizers. Thank you. I am very happy. Next year I will send my son alone. I will not come. So that much confidence it gave us. Thank you for this community and KIOCL team. Thank you.
A very good evening to one and all. It's really gives pleasure to be here. I really appreciate. I had heard about Mangalore from my Goa team. Means our Goa parents had come. Every year they were coming, and I had not taken my daughter. I was not aware. But I came to know, since I have gone to many Karnataka tournament, and finally I said I will make this, and I came here. But to see this, so far I have attended and I have heard about the tournament, but this was the very best. Really, like just now one brother said, it's a cleanliness is maintained. So hygiene is maintained, taken care of everywhere, in every pet. Food also, so many, to make arrangement for so many heads for food, and maintaining the cleanliness and hygiene is very priority, and that is given. It's very really nice and very thankful. Apart from that, these Karnataka people, wherever I have gone, they have such a humanly behavior with everyone. That is the most amazing thing. We may go anywhere, but our India is recognized for this. I have also gone to abroad and all, but our India is famous for the humanity, and that is the thing what I have seen, and that gave me, my heart was so heavy when I saw that thing, because really each kid and each everyone was giving so respect for participant as well as parents. It's really nice, and organizer have taken care of everything. Even ice cream was given to see smile on kids, because kids are the one who really wants the ice cream. Actually I am against it, but they really made happy and they will come. Yeah, very nice. Thank you so much. Thank you, organizers and the team of all the volunteers. Really amazing. Thank you so much.
Good evening to everyone. My name is Mohammad Sadat Ali from Raichur district. This is the nice tournament first I played. Thank you.
Deeply elated in extending a warm welcome to our motivational and beloved Chairman cum Managing Director, Shri T. Saminathan Sir, to this valedictory ceremony. A cordial welcome to you, sir. Our coordinator is welcoming me with a flower. I am favored in welcoming our Prudent Director Finance, Shri Swapan Kumar Gurai. A genial welcome to you, sir. And immediate favored in welcoming our supportive production and projects director, Shri Bhaskara Reddy. I would extend a warm welcome to our Diligent Chief General Manager, Production and Projects. I'm ecstatic in welcoming a supportive Chief General Manager Services and President of Chess Tournament Committee, Shri Ramkrishna Rawat, sir. Welcome to all of you, sir. And we are indeed obliged to have with us the President of Dakshin Kannada Chess Association, Shri Ramesh Kote. We are indeed indebted in extending a warm welcome to you, sir. And warm gesture of welcome to our industrious arbiter, Chief Arbiter Shri B.H. Vasant, sir. welcome you, sir. He's busy making the list. And I extend a warm welcome to all the arbiters, Sri Sakshat, Babu Pujari, Saundarya, Umanath Kapu, Nayan Karkal, for this program. And welcome all the parents, welcome all the participants, our eminent officials, officers, chief general managers, and the recognized union, KSS representatives, KMS union representatives, Officer Association representative, SCST Association VIPs, and especially Eastern Command and CSF also is here.
Very good evening to all the dignitaries on the dais. Kiocl CMD Sri T.C. Aminathan sir, Director of Finance Sri Swapan Kumar Gore sir, Director of Production Projects Sri K.V. Bhaskareddy sir, General Manager Production Projects Sri G.V. Kiran, Chief General Manager Services Sri Ramkrishna sir, and President of KS Chess Association Sri Ramesh Kote, and all the dignitaries of the dais, media, press officials, chess tournament committee members, all senior participants, dear children and parents. Today on the valedictory function of the 5th Kudremukh Trophy, I am being a convener of the tournament who would like to put forth brief of this All India level chess tournament 2022. Kiocl Limited, being a premier public sector under the Ministry of Steel, Government of India, is proud to constantly promote sports and games as a responsible entity, and 2 days of this All India chess tournament. And 5th Kudremukh Trophy is a game changer with 416 entries for this district tournament. We would like to raise our heads in high spirits for conducting this great event with the topmost participants and also highest number of participants, and we are now confident of conducting much more such events in future. I would congratulate all the winners of the chess tournament. I also wish other participants better luck in the future tournaments, as a failure is an opportunity to begin again, but more intelligently and efficiently by overcoming their faults and wrong moves, etc. The evaluator has got to have a lot of endurance, and we've seen it throughout this 2 days tournament. We are highly impressed and thankful with presence of Sri B.H. Vasant. His moves are highly exceptional. He captures the place of moves and presence, creates an optimistic aura in the hall. And Sakshat, Umanath Kapu and Saundarya and Babu Pujari and all the arbiters were all here of job meticulous and tolerant attitude. A sincere appreciation to all of you. Sri Sakshat has really put full backing to conduct this grand event successfully. To support and guidance of Kiocl management cannot go unnoticed. We are indebted to our chairman, Commander T. Saminathan sir, Director of Finance Sri Swapan Kumar Gore sir, Director of Production Projects Sri Bhaskareddy sir. Finally, I would like to extend my sincere thanks and appreciation to all the committee members of the chess tournament for their efforts and contribution as a constant efforts of HR admin department to make this tournament a grand success. I also extend land and estate department and our canteen workers for providing foods and snacks to the gathering from time to time, KSRC workers of maintaining cleanliness, hygiene throughout the tournament, and all those who have worked involved directly and indirectly for smooth conducting for this grand event. We are organizing the national level chess events like this for 5th time. Prior these national level events, we had successfully conducted taluk level, district level and national level. Now I want to tell, from November 2017, one day talent inter-school chess tournament, we had 148 participants. May 2018, 2 days open, we had around 190. And December 2018, first Kudremukh Trophy, national level, we got 324 participants. December 2019, second Kudremukh Trophy, we got 329 participants, and third Kudremukh Trophy, we got 190 participants. Fourth Kudremukh Trophy in 2022 January, 2 days, national level, 289 participants. Now we got 416 participants. Conducting 5 national tournaments every year in a grand manner. Now I call upon all the committee members who are put effort for last 10 days to make this event very successfully. Now I want to call one by one our Ramkrishna Rao H, CGM Services and President, our chess tournament. So I request our CMD to hand over a small token of gratitude and token of appreciation to our committee members. Next, Tarnath Rai, AGM, HR and admin, BFU. Come first, come first. Sudhir Kumar P, Manager Pros Control. Sudhir Kumar. Sudhir Kumar. Sudhir Kumar P, Manager Pros Control. Ronald Empires, Manager HR. Next, Srijit HS, Manager Accounts. Srijit. And Rohit. Srijit, come first. Next, Rohit, be ready. Sir, we have, sir, one by one. Next, Srimati Madhuri. Ashok Kumar, Land Estate Department, Assistant Manager Civil. Ashok Kumar. Rupesh Kumar, Executive Trainee HR. Next, Ganesh Shettikar. Make it fast. Next, Murli, be ready. Give a big hands for our committee members. Srimati Kalpita Bhatt, Executive Trainee. Kalpita Bhatt. Next, Padmanabh TH. Padmanabh TH. Next, Rajesh. Be ready. Amrut Mughali. After Rajesh, Amrut. Amrut Mughali. Mahesh, I Mahesh. Next, Subhash Rathod. I think he's an entrance, sir. Arish, he is also his entrance, he is a volunteer there. Sridhar Olla. Okay, right. Yes. Okay, Dashangara District Chess Association considered efforts and hard work of chess committee, members, employees of company, etc. We have tried our very best to conduct the tournament in an appropriate way. However, there may be some loopholes. I would request the senior participants, also participants, to give their feedback, suggestions, if any, to improve while conducting such events, programs in future. Thank you once again.
Thank you, sir. And being a coordinator of the chess tournament and having guided us to conduct this program successfully, I kindly request thank you very much, sir. And our supportive Chief CMD, Chairman cum Managing Director, is here with us today, and we are indeed obliged to have him and giving us the full support for conducting this tournament. I kindly request Senior Manager HR and Coordination Shreyas Murugesh to please give a small token of gratitude to our Chairman, T. Saminathan sir, and to our Director of Finance, Shri Swapan Kumar Gurai sir, to our Director of Production and Projects, Shri Bhaskar Reddy sir, to our Chief General Manager Production and Projects, Shri G.V. Kiran sir, to Chief General Manager Services, Shri Ramakrishna Rao H sir. Thank you all the dignitaries for the kind support you all have given us to conduct this tournament. And moving on, we are extremely T. Saminathan sir to please speak a few words on this occasion.
It is my great honor to be in front of you to say a few words on this occasion. I would like to just say only one thing, that chess tournament is like life. There is always up and downs, and every pawns or the queen or the king or the horse. So every one of us take a different role. We can't underestimate or overestimate anybody's strength. Similarly, the kids and the chess players who are here, we cannot underestimate their ability and their talent. So today, the great occasion that many of you have come from all over India, and to the extent possible we feel that we made you all comfortable during this entire proceedings of 2 days. And in the days to come, we want to further improve upon our the amenities and the facilities. Maybe some of you, if you have find any of the shortfalls, maybe you can write it in a piece of paper and hand over to the coordinators. Maybe next time we can take care of it. I am very delighted to hear some of you have said that amenities, especially the washroom, have been kept very neat, and the cleanliness which has been maintained. My kudos to all the people who have tirelessly made this event a great successful and taken care of all of you. Anyone goes to house, maybe the first thing when we enter hall, and then somebody wants to go to washroom and they will see how the house is. Similarly, when you people have come here and seen the washroom facility, which is most important, and our people have made you comfortable and amenities have been properly kept, none other than me will be very happy. I am really happy to note this, and we will continue to maintain and we will improve upon. Thank you, thank you. I think the children or the participants, I just only one thing wanted to say, that whatever prize we give here, it is a bare minimum. The prize is not the concern. Your participation is much more important than the prize what we give. So some of you may be having first prize, some of you may be having second prize or third prize, or some of you may not even get the prize. It doesn't matter. So it is a learning process. One has to come, play here, and learn many things. When you move across various places, you will learn to understand the culture of the people who are lived here and the atmosphere in which you can learn many things in this place, not only your chess game. It is a learning for the life of every individual. So keep aside the prize part and be happy with the what learnings you learned from this event, and take it forward so that this learning can be much more useful in the coming days for your life as well as in your career, in case if you have chosen to select this chess as your career. I think I am really thankful to all my colleagues who have put this event in a comfortable manner to all of you. I thank personally each and every one of you for this event, and also our media friends who took a lot of efforts and made it this event as great successful, and they are taking across the India through media. I am also thankful. to the media people. And each and every one of you, I just thank, because without you, this event would not have been successful. And I thank personally each and every one of you who have come for this function and participated and made this function as grand success. And I assure you that the days to come, maybe next time when we conduct, it will be much better than what is being seen today. Thank you one and all for your all support. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, sir, for the kind words. May I kindly request our Director of Finance, Shri Swapan Kumar Gorai, sir, to please speak a few words.
Last 5 years, our colleagues are organizing these events. Gradually, every year, they are making some incremental changes. This year, added feather is the cultural show. First of all, I will congratulate all the winning people who has won their prizes. The end of the day, it is a professional game. Prize is very important. I also salute the people who did not win last time, but won prizes this time. Because that is the spirit of sportsman spirit. We sometimes say that glory is not winning. Glory is how quickly you accept the loss and pick up whatever is left, and with that capital, you go on winning next time. So same spirit should continue. So far as the organization is concerned, I congratulate all my colleagues who have worked day and night to make this event successful. I can see that every year it is increasing like anything. More and more facilities are being added. I will say Murugesh and his team has done a hat trick. First is number of participants. Stupendously it has increased by to 400. Second is giving them good hygienic food and maintaining the hygiene, cleanliness, that some of the participants are quite happy with it. We, on the part of the management, we are also doubly happy, because the organization's essence is that they should be able to give you the basic minimum where we will feel that this place you should come back again and again. And we, on behalf of the company, we consider this has become our company's one of the big festival, where we all are there from Bangalore. In fact, everybody is working day and night to make this festival and to enjoy. Thirdly, third goal is organizing the cultural show. What a awesome, beautiful cultural show that you have organized. In fact, in our whole country, everywhere if you look at, some sort of this kind of cultural heritage exists. Unfortunately, it does not get the publicity. Through this sports event, you could show up some of our cultural heritage. I say salute to you. I would say that you please maintain this and you continue to organize this. Let this event be part of our national pride, part of our company's pride, that this Kudremukh trophy from years on, someday it becomes such a reach that every person, this is my dream, that every person in the country would be knowing that it is Kudremukh trophy. That means something very great. Murugesh and his team has already started giving that kind of importance to this event. I only wish them success, and please go ahead, progress. All of the people will come back again if we can take care. As some of the feedback says, we could take care, we could live up to their expectation. So we request all the participants, parents, you please come back again for the next year. And I, on behalf of the company, we can only dedicate our commitment to organize this event years after years for all times to come. With these few words, as 1 minute limit has been given, I have exceeded. With these few words, I once again congratulate all of you. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.
Thank you very much, sir, for those inspiring words. Now, may I kindly request our Director of Production and Projects, Shri K.V. Bhaskara Reddy, sir, to please speak a few words.
As we know, the beginning itself, when the feedback was asked, I could feel very happy. In fact, I am delighted to see children, small kids coming onto the stage and speaking few words. It shows the interest taken by the children for participating in the game, as well as taking this opportunity or this platform to enhance their speaking skills. I am really very much delighted to see the children coming to this stage at this age of 5 years or 6 years. The second part is, as we know that the chess is everybody say it is a brain game. And parents also reckon lot of interest bringing their children, kids coming here, staying with them and encouraging them to participate in the game so that the thinking skills will improve upon as they grow up. Foundation, parents always feel when the kid is given the good foundation, that will carry forward for their future growth and enhancing their skills, whether it is education, sports, games, or even the speaking skills to that extent. And you all must, you know that our organizers, they have done excellent teamwork under the chess. We have been, company has found on a team for organizing this event every year, headed by Mr. Ramakrishna Rao and the unit head here, Mr. Kiran also is, both of them had a lot of contribution along with the organizers, Murugesh and other team members. Right from the beginning of the year, the work starts. It's not that, right from the financial year, maybe in the month of May, June onwards, the planning starts, including the fund allocation or facilitating planning and inviting making the publicity to the public, inviting the participants and all. The great job done by our team members. I must appreciate each and everyone made a good contribution and bringing this event to this great successful event. I must say thanks to everyone, each and everyone, and also my congratulations to all the team, the winners of this game, and also everyone must feel happy that the children participated or elders participated, even senior citizens participated, to know that the good practices, whatever they made, showing the interest, they could exhibit today and coming to the stage of winning the prizes, or which will be announced shortly. So I once again congratulate each and everyone. Thank you very much for giving me an opportunity to say something, say a few words on this occasion. Thank you very much.
Now I request Amrut Mugli. He was not there. He's our committee member, one of the committee member, Amrut Mugli. Please accept our token of appreciation from our dignitaries. Subhash. Subhash. Next, Arish. Arish. Next, Sridhar Olla. Thank you, sir. Now you have to call Ramesh Kote, District Chess Association President, to accept a small token of gift. Next, but not least, BH Vasant, Chief Arbiter.
Thank you very much. The most weighted person he's the one who will read the prizes now. And before reading the prizes, one final talk. Our President of the Chess Tournament Committee, Shri Ramkrishna Rao sir, and our Chief General Manager Services is here to present his vote of thanks.
Each game is a new challenge which has to be dealt with rationally and systematically. At that time, every other thought fades into oblivion. The Grandmaster Vishwanath Anand had said that. Recollecting his words, I extend my warm wishes to all for being present at the valedictory ceremony of the 5th Kudremukh Trophy Karnataka All India Level Rapid Chess Tournament 2022. I take this opportunity to congratulate all the winners and wishing the best of luck for all the participants for the future too. And without admitting that gratitude is an exceptional word with life in it. It embodies the gesture of our heart for expressing the gratefulness of our soul. And today, a deep sense of indebtedness bestows in me to convey my gratefulness towards the congregation of all the luminous personality present here. I, on behalf of this august gathering and my own behalf, convey deep regards and gratitude to our respected chairman, come Managing Director, Sri T. Saminathan sir, for being a source of encouragement and support. We are grateful for your presence, sir. We are ecstatic in expressing our gratitude to our Director Finance, Sri Swapan Kumar Gorai sir, for his valuable presence today. We are always obliged to you, sir. Thank you. We are greatly encouraged by the gracious presence of Director Production and Projects, Sri Bhaskar Reddy sir. My enormous respect to you, sir. Thank you. My gratitude extends to President of Dakshina Kannada Chess Association, Sri Ramesh Kote, for his presence. Thank you. My sincere gratitude extends to International Arbiter, Sri Vasant BH, for conducting this function so meticulously. His arbitrary skills have no match and never leaves a stone unturned in judging the participants. My deep gratitude to you, sir, for taking time to judge this tournament. I would sincerely extend my gratefulness to the arbiters, Sri Sakshat UK, Sri Umanath Kapu, Srimati Saundarya UK, Nayan Kumar, and Sri Babu Pujari, who are here to do a very precise activity. Appreciating their professionalism, I thank all of them for having accepted our request and for being here with us today. I thank our Senior Manager HR&A, Sri Murugesh, and the tournament coordinator for leading our team to organize this event appropriately. All lively smiles are here, enthusiastic and exhausted after the long battle for 2 days. Yes, my gratitude extends towards all the juniors and seniors present here. You have all done your level best with splendid moves in adverse situations, which has been displayed immensely in this tournament. Thank you all participants for participating in large numbers. The crowd in this tournament is really encouraging. We are indeed elated for having more than 400 number of participants, the highest number of participants till date. We are grateful to the players who have come here from around the nation to enthusiastically participate in this tournament, and this gives us a positive sensation for us to confidently move forward to conduct many more tournaments in the future too. Thank you, spirit and love towards Kudremukh Trophy for chess. Also, I take this opportunity to thank all parents of the junior participants who are here for supporting and boosting the morale of the children and for participating in this tournament. Thank you. As gratitude is a blossom which springs from the soul, my thankfulness extends towards the coordinator chess committee, Sri S. Murugesh, and all the active, enthusiastic chess committee members for having worked hard to organize this event. I take this opportunity to express my deep sense of appreciation to all the chess committee members, employees of human resources, administration, and land and estate departments for their earnest service put in for organizing this event successfully. I also thank the Nehru Bhavan staff for their assistance. The involvement of many unseen hands has facilitated to conduct this event appropriately. We are fortunate enough to be backed by a team of motivated and dedicated colleagues who have strained hard to make this function a grand success. My heartfelt gratitude to all who have joined hands for making the program a grand success. I extend a hearty thanks to all the departmental heads, senior officials, Officer Association Kudremukh, SC/ST Association, all recognized union office bearers, all union representatives, all employees, AC, CISF and his team, and all the family members assembled here. Thank you one and all.
Prize distribution ceremony. I request, now the prize distribution is like that. First is a main category, third, second, first. Then from 25 to 4th. Then under rating 1900, then like that it comes down. Okay, I request all the 3 prize winners, please come as soon as possible. Third prize, I request all the dignitaries on the dais to give away the prizes. The third prize goes to Dhanush Ram from Dakshina Kannada, whose rating is 1615, scored 8 points, takes home rupees 10,000. Give him a big round of applause. And the trophy size is as big as him, isn't it? So I see smile in many players' faces. You are also ready to take this. Manikantan, get ready. Yeah. Ready? Yeah, give him a big round of applause. This is Dhanush. Second place goes to Manikantan SS from Tamil Nadu. Yeah, be here. Manikantan SS from Tamil Nadu scored 8 points and whose rating is 1974 and takes home rupees 20,000. Give him a big round of applause. This is Manikantan SS from Tamil Nadu. Yeah. Now the champion is FIDE Master Ritvik Para from Goa, whose rating is 2237. He is unbeaten, scored 8.5 points, takes home rupees 30,000. Give him a big round of applause. This is Ritvik Para. Ritvik, we are really proud of you, and the trophy, the glittering trophy, is as 183 minutes. It is really a big time. I request all of you to cooperate. Please come to the right side of the dais. Thank you. Thank you. And it is a nice, congratulations. 24th place to Anshul Panikar from Dakshina Kannada, scored 6 points and takes home rupees 3,000. Anshul Panikar. Yeah. 23rd place. 23rd place goes to Srinivas Krishnan. Takes home rupees 3,000. He scored 6 points. Please come to the desk. Be ready. Quick. Krishnan. 22nd place goes to Augustine from Karnataka. He also scored 6.5 points. Takes home rupees 3,000. Augustine, come to the desk, please. 21st place goes to Anil Kumar. This is Augustine. Anil Kumar OT from Kerala. Anil Kumar OT from Kerala scored 6.5 points and takes home rupees 3,000. Give him a big round of applause. He is a many time. On behalf of Anil Kumar, he is taking the prize. 20th place goes to Shayyad Anwar Sazuli. He is a FIDE master and from ICF. He scored 6.5 points and takes home rupees 4,000. 26th place goes to Krishnan KV from Kerala. Scored 7 points and takes home rupees 4,000. Give them a big round of applause. This is very, very important. Your presence, your wish makes them proud. 18th place, Krishnan, come to the dais, please. I think Krishnan is not there. 18th place goes to Drikshu Vasant from Mangalore. Drikshu. He is not there. 17th place goes to Nishant D'Souza. Yeah. Drikshu is on behalf of Drikshu. You should come early, man. If somebody is collecting on behalf of somebody, please come in advance. 17th place, scored 7 points and takes home rupees 4,000. Thank you, Nishant, for reminding us. 16th place goes to Shushut Vahan Shetty. He scored 7 points and 4,000 rupees cash prize. Shushant. 15th place goes to candidate master Samanth J. Rao. Give him a big round of applause. This is Samanth J. Rao and his father. he takes him to all the corner of the world, and he is really proud of our Karnataka chess player team. Congratulations, Samarth Rao and his father. Congratulations, congratulations. The whole crowd is with you, Samarth. The whole crowd is with you. All the best in futures, and we would like to see you. Yeah, this is what the respect you are getting from the crowd. Yes, thank you very much. This is how we support. Thank you, sir. Thank you one and all. Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you very much. And the 14th place goes to Saminathan, sir. Please continue. Yeah. He also takes home rupees 4,000. Subramanian R from Tamil Nadu. He is 13th place. He also scored 7 points and takes home rupees 4,000. Yeah. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. And the 12th place goes to Naveen Hegde from Karnataka. Scored 7 points and takes home rupees 4,000. 11th place goes to Balkishan from Karnataka. Takes home rupees 4,000, and he also scored 7 points. Sorry. 10th place goes to Harman Dayas Saldana from Mangalore. He also scored 7 points and takes home rupees 4,000. Congratulations. 9th place goes to Jyotilal from Kerala. Scored 7 points and takes home rupees 5,000. Jyotilal. 8th place goes to Devesh Anand Nayak from Goa. I think Jyotilal. Yeah. Devesh, be ready. 8th place goes to Devesh Anand Nayak from Goa. Scored 7.5 points and takes home rupees 5,000. Give me a big round of applause. Now the 7th place goes to our own international master Ratnakaran K from Southern Railways, whose rating is 2235 and scored 7.5 points. Takes home rupees 5,000. He attended all the events of Kudremukh tournament. Give him a big round of applause. And he will not miss any of the tournament conducted in Karnataka. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. 6th place goes to Sharan Rao, FIDE Master Sharan Rao from Mangalore, whose rating is 2,222. He takes home rupees 6,000. Give him a big round of applause. He scored 7.5 points. 5th place goes to Women International Master Isha Sharma from Karnataka. Beltagadi, Dakshina Kannada, scored 7.5 points, takes home rupees 7,000. We wish you, ma'am, as early possible, we will see one more Grandmaster from Karnataka. Congratulations. And the 4th place goes to Ladmandar Pradeep from Goa. Scored 8 points and takes home rupees 8,000. Give him a big round of applause. Next category, rating category below 1900. All the 3 players, be ready. All the 3 players, please come to the dais together. Thank you, sir. Koleko Ruben from Goa, 6.5 points, takes home rupees 4,000. First place goes to Dasri Dattatreya Rao from Karnataka, scored 7 points and 4,500. Yeah, this is Koleko Ruben from Goa. Give him a big round of applause. Next category, get ready, 1,800. This is Dasri Dattatreya Rao from Karnataka, who takes home rupees 4,500 and scores 7 points. 3rd place in below 1,800 goes to Samuel Ajit from Dakshina Kannada. 6 points and takes home rupees 3,500. 2nd place goes to Joseph Tom from Kerala, scored 6.5 points and takes home rupees 4,000. Joseph. And the winner in this category is Lakshit B. Salian. Scored 7 points and takes home rupees 4,500. Congratulations. Below 1700, 3rd place goes to Samant Ashok from Karnataka. Scored 6 points and takes home rupees 3,500. Request all the 3 players, please come to the desk quickly. Samaksh, come fast. It's a blitz. Yes, fast. 2nd place goes to Madhav Nair from Dakshina Kannada, scored 6.5 points and takes home rupees 4,000. And the 1st place goes to Sairaj Dilip Venekar from Goa. Scored 7 points out of 9. Give him a big round of applause. This small kid, yeah. This is how our kids are. Congratulations, and he takes home rupees 4,500. Below 1-6, third place goes to Sara Samir Pawar, again from Goa. Scored 6 points, 3,500. Yeah, Goan people, what is this? All prize only you are taking? Congratulations. Next time, bring all the Goans, okay? Yeah, second place goes to Luis Kumpala. Luis Kumpala, 6.5 points and takes home rupees 4,000. And the winner is veteran Ramchandra Bhatt, the well-known coach from Karnataka. He also scored 7 points and takes home rupees 4,500. Now, some time back he was telling, in 30 plus tournaments, every time they are calling him as a veteran. So, sir, you are veteran and you are a nice person. Congratulations. Okay, now the next category is below 1500. Third place goes to Prajwal P from Karnataka. 6 points, 3,500. Second place goes to Rishi Singh from Uttar Pradesh. Scored 6.5 points and 4,000 rupees cash prize. Congratulations. And the Karnataka champion, Swaralakshmi Nair, scored 7 points out of 9 and takes home rupees 4,500. Congratulations. Thank you, sir. Dakshina Kannada scored 6 points and takes home rupees 3,500. Adrej Bhattacharya. Second place goes to Karthik R from Karnataka, scored 6.5 points and takes home rupees 4,000. Give them a big round of applause. And this is Karthik R. And the winner of this category is Ashwath Narayanan P from Tamil Nadu, scored 7 points and takes home rupees 4,500. I request all the prize winners, please stay back for the group photo. It is very important for our memory as well as for you. And that is really important for us. Below 1200, third place goes to Karthik Alva from Dakshina Kannada, scored 6 points, takes home rupees 3,500. Second place goes to Atharva Sawal from Goa, scored 6 points and takes home rupees 4,000. This is Atharva. And the winner is Amok Shetty from Dakshina Kannada, scored 6 points and takes home rupees 4,500. Next category is below 1100. Third place goes to Sri Gunashekar from Goa, scored 6 points and takes home rupees 3,500. Second place goes to Prithvi Kamar from Karnataka, scored 6 points and takes home rupees 4,000. Give them a big round of applause. This is Prithvi Kamar. And the first place in this category goes to Slok Vinay Kulkarni from Karnataka, whose rating is 1033, scored 6 points and takes home rupees 4,500. Next unrated category. Third place goes to Satya Prasad Hebbar from Karnataka, scored 5.5 points. Yeah, that is the culture. Thank you, Slok. And this is Satya Prasad Hebbar from Dakshina Kannada, scored 5.5 points and takes home rupees 3,500. Second place goes to Aditya Pillai from Karnataka. He also scored 6 points and takes home rupees 4,000. First place goes to Shivakumar Aralikatti. He is also from Karnataka, scored 6 points and takes home rupees 4,500. Thank you, sir. Now may I request G.V. Kiran, sir, Chief General Manager, Production and Projects. Yeah, give the next set of prizes. Now the best veteran category. Third place goes to Dawood from Tamil Nadu, scored 5.5 points, takes home rupees 2,500. Dawood, sir, vanga, 2,500. Second place goes to Vinay Prakash Ashirwad, ex-employee of Mangalore Port. Vinay Prakash, he also scored 6 points and takes home rupees 3,000. Yes, sir. And the winner is Shantram from Karnataka, scored 6 points and takes home rupees 3,500. Congratulations. Because of you people, you nurtured and made the chess game so proud, and we are enjoying it. Congratulations, sir. Keep blessing us. We will keep forward. Thank you very much. And the next category is Best Female Prize. Third place goes to Arushi De Silva from Dakshina Kannada, scored 6 points and takes home rupees 2,500. Give her a big round of applause. She also scored 6 points. Second place goes to Udupi Avani Acharya, scored 6 points and takes home rupees 3,000. First place goes to Prasiddhi Bhatt. She represented Karnataka many times to SGFI and many nationals age category groups. Congratulations, Prasiddhi Bhatt. She also scored 6 points and takes home rupees 3,500. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Now may I request Ramkrishna Rao, Chief Financial Manager, Services. Chief Services. Yes, Services. Sorry for, yeah. Okay. Best KYCL prize goes to Hanuman Singh Rawat. Hanuman Singh Rawat, IA Sarkar. He scored 5.5 points. His rating is 1177 and takes home rupees 4,000. Differently abled category, the best prize goes to Sudhir Yamke. He scored 6 points and takes home rupees 3,000. Now the best under 5, all the 5 category, all the 5 prize winners, please come to this. Under 5 boys, under 5 girls, under 6 boys, under 6 girls. Come to the desk nearby. Fourth place, fifth place is not there. Fourth place goes to Kritesh Shankara Bonanta. Kritesh, come quickly. Yella ottigi banni sir. Yes, yeah. Okay, congratulations, mother and a player. Yeah, okay. Congratulations. Third place goes to Kati Reddy Ishant Reddy. Scored 2 points and takes, it's a trophy. Second place goes to Srinith Sheth. He also scored 2 points. Srinith. First place goes to Prayank Gonekar. Prashant Gonekar. Under 5 girls, second place goes to Kiara Gowda. Give them a big round of applause. These players are the future grandmasters and make us proud of being a chess lovers. Kiara Gowda scored 6 points. She is the youngest player in girls section. Give her a big round of applause. You know when she born? 2017 March 7th. Krishna Gayatri Bonantaya, 3 points. Get ready, under 6 category boys. Thank you, sir. Now may I request CMD, Shri T. Saminathan, sir, to come forward. Yeah, fifth place in under 6 boys category goes to Kiansh Gowda. Bega barbeku. David bega barbeku. Kiansh Gowda scored 3 points. Give him a big round of applause. Fourth place goes to Arya AH. Scored 4 points. This under 6 boy scored 4 points out of 9. Is it a big thing? Give them a big round of applause. Your wishes are really important. And the third place goes to Alap SCA. He also scored 4 points. I have many things to tell about players, but I don't have time. Please forgive me this time. Okay, Alap SCA, 4 points. Second place goes to Lakshit Dayanand. Lakshit Dayanand is a rated player whose rating is 1015. Shall we keep quiet? No! Give them a big round of applause. This is young boy. The little boy has a rating of 1015. Scored 4.5 points. Congratulations. And the first place goes to Hemant Reddy from Karnataka, who also scored 4.5 points, and he takes home a beautiful trophy. Please come. Hemant Reddy, come to the desk. Yeah, okay. Now under 6 girls, fourth place goes to Vidita Bhatt. Vidita. Yeah, all girls come. No, Vidita, fourth place. Sanvarya, third place. Sanvarya, come. Sanvarya. Second place goes to Nakshatra. Nakshatra, wait. Nakshatra, wait. Yeah. Given opportunity, she will grab everything. That's how it is. Yeah, good, good, Nakshatra. Keep it up. And the winner is Sanvita Shetty. 5 points she scored. Out of 9, she scored 5 points. Give her a big round of applause. This little girl scored 5 points. Congratulations, Sanvita. Under 7 boys. Thank you, sir. Director Finance to come forward. Under 7 boys, 5th place goes to Shrestha Suraj from Goa. 4 points. 4th place goes to Anvesh Devadiga from Karnataka, whose rating is 1144 and scored 4.5 points. Scored 4.5 points. Okay, yes. 3rd place goes to Aryan Naik from Goa. Amche Goa. Amgele Goa. Yes. 3rd place goes to Aryan Naik from Goa, 4.5 points. 2nd place goes to Harshit Ram, Karnataka, 5 points. He is also rated player, 1124 is rating. And the winner is Tejas Wadhwani from Karnataka, whose rating is 1120 and scored 5.5 points. Give him a big round of applause. This is Tejas Wadhwani. Under 7 girls, 2nd prize goes to Vedika Nayak. Thank you, sir. Now may I request KV Bharat Reddy, sir, to come forward. Wait. Bhaskar Reddy, sir. Sorry. Bhaskar Reddy, sir. Yeah, sorry for wrongly pronouncing. Yeah, sorry. The 2nd place goes to Vedika Nayak from Karnataka. This is the 2nd place. So encourage more girl players. You have a prize guaranteed. Okay. The 1st place goes to Avani Savaikar from Goa. Yeah, Amche Goa. 4 points. It doesn't mean that I belongs to Goa and I love Goa. As you love, I love Goa. Okay? So it is right. Okay, under 8 boys, 5th place goes to Malar Thakur from Karnataka. Scored 5 points. Malar Thakur, come fast. 4th place goes to Ishan Bansali from Karnataka. He also scored 5 points. 3rd place goes to Advik Upadhyaya, who is also a rated player. All are rated player only. 1202 Karnataka, and it is my mistake. Okay, it is not their mistake. Yeah, forgive me. Okay, Advaik Upadhyaya scored 5 points. 2nd place goes to Airavat Rishikesh Deshik Naik Desai from Goa. Yeah, Amche Goa, 5 points. And the winner in this category is Venkatanaga Karthik Malayadi from Karnataka, 5 points. Thank you, sir. Now may I request Ramesh Kote, sir, to come to the dais to give the next set of prizes. Ramesh Kote, sir. Thank you, sir. Under 8 girls section, 5th place goes to Parwana KK. Parwana KK from Kerala scored 3 points. 4th place goes to Sinchana MS from Karnataka, scored 3 points. Sinchana. 3rd place goes to Alida Zisosa from Dakshina Kannada, 3.5 points. 2nd place goes to Murel Sanesa Fernandez from Goa, 4 points. 1st place goes to Skylar Rodriguez, if I pronounce right. Yeah, otherwise please forgive me. Skylar Rodriguez from Goa, whose rating is 1064 and scored 5 points. Under 9 boys, 5th place goes to Vihan Shetty from Karnataka, scored 5 points. Vihan. 4th place goes to Vihan Adarsh Lobo. Vihan Adarsh Lobo, 4th place from Dakshina Kannada, scored 5 points. Vihan Shetty, huh? Okay. Vihan. Next place, Rudra. Rudra Nagshekar from Goa, 5.5 points. Shubh Vishnu Borkar from Goa, 2nd place. This is Rudra, who is collecting one. Shubh Vishnu Borkar, 2nd place from Goa, 5.5 points. Give him a big round of applause. The 1st place goes to Balanandan Ayappan from Kerala, Balanandan Ayyappan, whose rating is 1257 and scored 6 points. Give him a big round of applause. This is Balanandan. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Now may I request G.V. Kiran, sir, Chief General Manager, Production and Projects, please come forward and give the prizes. 5th place goes to Janvi Malya from Karnataka, scored 3 points. 4th place goes to Shriya Yasamin. Shriya Yasamin, who is rated player, whose rating is 1065 and scored 4 points. Give her a big round of applause. 3rd place goes to Rochel Pereira from Goa, 4 points. 2nd place goes to Arna Adiraj Naik Desai from Goa, 4 points. Yeah. Yeah, okay. 1st place goes to Aradhya Yudi from Beltangadi, scored 4 points and Thank you, sir. Vishaka Acharya from Dakshina Kannada, whose rating is 1026 and takes home trophy. He scored 5 points. 4th place goes to Arush Bhatt from Dakshina Kannada again. He scored 5 points and takes home a great trophy. 3rd place goes to Ritesh, whose rating is 1220, scored 5 points. Ritesh, yes. 2nd place goes to Sanmai, whose rating is 1023 and scored 5.5 points. And the winner is Samarth Arun Upadhyaya from Karnataka, scored 5.5 points. Thank you, sir. Now may I request to Niharika, scored 4 points. Niharika. 4th place goes to Tanisha Uday Naik Desai from Goa. Tanisha? Here, Tanisha. Yeah. This is Tanisha, who scored 4.5 points. 3rd place goes to Rima Rao. Rima Rao from Mangalore. Okay, Allappa. 2nd place goes to Adya A.H. Yeah. Adya, right? Huh? Adya went? Okay. The 1st place goes to Jocelyn D'Souza from Dakshina Kannada. Scored 5 points. Give her a big round of applause. Under 11 boys, 5th place goes to Abhinav Acharya. Scored 5 points, whose rating is 1271. 4th place goes to Pagi Sarvang from Goa, whose rating is 1052 and scored 5 points. 3rd place goes to Anirudh Dattatreya Dasri from Karnataka, whose rating is 1069 and scored 5.5 points. 2nd place goes to Anish Yassi, whose rating is 1047 and scored 5.5 points. He belongs to Karnataka. Give him a big round of applause. 1st place goes to Achintya Bhatt. Overall rank is 68. Out of 416, he is the 68th place. Give him a big round of applause. Achintya. Great performance. Achintya scored 6 points. Under 11 girls, 5th place goes to Shraddha S. Rai from Mangalore, whose rating is 1186 and scored 4.5 points. Yeah, on behalf of Shraddha, he will collect it. 4th place goes to Aradhya Shetty, scored 5 points from Karnataka. Aradhya S. Shetty from Kundapur. 3rd place goes to Rachel Pereira from Goa, scored 5.5 points. Rachel also rated player. And 2nd place goes to Syed Maiza from Goa, whose rating is 1063 and scored 5.5 points. 1st place goes to Anisha Devadiga, who also scored 5.5 points, whose rating is 1055. Yeah. I request everyone to be here for the group photo. Please. You are so nice players and parents. Please wait for some more time. Yes. To Siddharth Prabhu, scored 6 points and takes home the glittering trophy. 4th place goes to Sampath JM from Karnataka, who scored 6 points. Sampath. Third place goes to Tejas Pai, scored 6 points. This is Sampath. Tejas, ready. Second place goes to Arth Siddesh Shenvi Karapur from Goa, 6 points. First place goes to Aradhya Bhattacharya, whose overall ranking is 49. Arth is 50. They really performed so well. Give them a big round of applause. This is Aradhya Bhattacharya from Dakshina Kannada. And under 12 girls, fifth place goes to Prakriti Shetty, scored 4 points. Prakriti. Fourth place goes to Ansika Shiel Pinto from Dakshina Kannada, scored 4 points. Third place goes to Advik Prabhu from Karnataka, 4.5 points. Second place goes to Shravya from Karnataka, 5 points. First place goes to Aditi P. Shetty from Karnataka, 5.5 points. Okay. Yes. Thank you, sir. Now may I request KV Bhaskar Reddy, sir, to come forward. Director, Production Projects, to come with the next set of prizes. Fifth place goes to Samant Shetty, scored 5 points, whose rating is 1018. Samant, come fast. Fourth place goes to Tejas Shanai. He also scored 5 points, whose rating is 1192. Third place goes to Venkatesh Nayak from Dakshina Kannada, who scored 5 points. Venkatesh. Yeah. Second place goes to Madhav Dattatreya Dasari. I think all the 3 Dasaris got prize. Correct? Yes, sir. Yes. Congratulations. Team captain, Dasari, sir. Team captain, congratulations. And the first place goes to Aryan Kamath. Scored 5.5 points and whose rating is 1257. And under 13 girls, fifth place goes to Syed Madhya from Goa, scored 4 points. Yeah, her sister also got a prize, I think so. Yeah. Fourth place goes to Sinchana G. Bhatt from Karnataka, scored 4 points. Third place goes to Monisha from Dakshina Kannada, scored 4 points. Monisha. Second place goes to Anisha Dionolobo from Dakshina Kannada, whose rating is 1166 and scored 4.5 points. Anisha. And the winner is Viraja Ullas Desai from Goa, scored 5 points. Amche Goa. Thank you, sir. Now may I request our own Murugesh sir, Senior Manager, HR and Coordination, please come forward for this next set of prizes. It's an untired person who is behind this. Give him a big round of applause for his untiredness and serving this. Congratulations, sir. We are really proud of you. And the fifth place goes to Saksham Parekh. Saksham Parekh from Goa. Saksham. Yeah, he also scored 5 points. And fourth place goes to Jagrutanand Devadiga from Karnataka, scored 5.5 points. Third place goes to Satvik Shetty. Satvik. Yeah, I think Satvik and Jagrat both are not there. Karthik P. Sir, Karthik P. Yeah, second place, Karthik P. from Mysore, scored 6 points, whose rating is 1368. Congratulations. And the winner is Ravish Kote from Dakshina Kannada, whose rating is 1375 and scored 6 points. Give him a big round of applause. Under 14 girls, fifth place goes to Amrita Vaidya from Karnataka. Scored 4 points. All the prize winners, please stay back for the group photo. And the fourth place goes to Akshara Yu from Karnataka. Scored 4.5 points. Akshara, please come to the dais, please. Yep. Third place goes to Sushmita Trivikram Rao from Dakshina Kannada. Scored 5 points. Second place goes to Disha Uye from Karnataka, who scored 5 points and rating is 1232. Under 15 champion. No, okay, runner up, I think, right? Yes. Congratulations. And the winner is Sharadi Shetty from Mysore. Sharadi Shastri. Sorry. Okay, whose rating is 1194 and scored 6 points. Thank you, sir. Now may I request G.V. Kiran sir to come forward. Yeah. 5th place goes to Shriyan Sinha, scored 5.5 points. Under 15 boys, get ready, quick. Shriyan Sinha, I think he is not there. 4th place goes to Satvik Acharya, 6 points. Satvik is not there. 3rd place, what's your name? Yeah, Satvik is there. 3rd place goes to Sai Prasad Kokate, 6 points. Sai Prasad. 2nd place goes to Sai Rudra Nagwekar. Requested. Okay, go. Shriyan Sinha Kudi. The winner is Akhilesh Harsha Kamath from Karnataka. Thank you, sir. Now, may I request Ramkrishna Rao, sir? Yeah. Thank you, sir. Yeah, please. Under 15 girls, 3rd place goes to Samriddhi JM from Karnataka, 4.5 points. 2nd place goes to Amrita MV, 4.5 points. Amrita. And the winner is Shanvi S. Balal from Karkala, scored 5 points. Yeah, congratulations. Thank you, sir. Now may I request T. Saminathan sir, CMD, to come forward for the next prize. Best youngest boy. Youngest boy. One trophy. Youngest boy. Kshitisha Shankaram Bonantaya. You're here? Okay. Illa. Okay, again. Best Dakshina Kannada players, be ready. 10th place goes to Pranshu Dinesh Kumar. Quick, all Dakshina Kannada prize winners, please come to the dais, please. Quick. Pranshu Dinesh Kumar and all other prize winners, be ready for the group photo. Pranshu Dinesh Kumar scored 5 points. 9th place goes to Shalmika Jain, 5.5 points. 8th place goes to Shamil Hani, 5.5 points. 7th place goes to Madhusudan Bhatt, 5.5 points. All are from Dakshina Kannada only because they are taking Dakshina Kannada prize, right? So I will not mention this place. Madhusudan Bandilala? Madhusudan illa ansate. Akanksha Yudi. Madhusudan illa ansate. This is Akanksh. Akanksh Yudi scored 5.5 points. Clival and Lobo, 5th place, 6 points. Okay. 4th place goes to Sheikh Mohammed Irfan, 6 points. 3rd place goes to Panchami Shanai, 6 points. 2nd place goes to Prahlad Sen, 6 points. And the 1st place goes to Siddhant Prabhu. He also scored 6 points. Now we have with us a special player, visually challenged. Mohammed, I request you to come to the desk. Yeah.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಧನುಶ್ರಾಮ್. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 9 ರೌಂಡ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ 8 ಅಂಕಗಳನ್ನು ಗಳಿಸಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ರತ್ನಾಕರ್, ವಿಮೆನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಇಶಾ ಶರ್ಮಾ ಅವರೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಆಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಭಾರಿ ಅಚ್ಚುಕಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಊಟ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ತಿಂಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ಟೈಮಿಗೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡೋದು, ಟೈಮಿಗೆ ಮುಗಿಸಿರೋದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ತುಂಬ ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇದು ನಾವು ಹೋದ ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಕುದುರೆಮುಖದವರು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೊಳ್ಳೆ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ಸ್ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗ್ತಾರೆ ಆಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಹೈ ಉಂಟು. ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ.
My second time getting a first place in under 13 category, and the first prize which I had got was in Goa, but this is my first time getting a first prize in under 13 category in Karnataka. The tournament was very good. They have the hospitality which they have given to us, the food, the playground area for us to play chess. It was a calm and peaceful environment, and I enjoyed playing over here. One of my friends, she had told me lots about Mangalore, but after coming and experiencing it in reality, I felt more really good, and next year I will surely come.
ಭಾರತ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಉಕ್ಕಿನ ಕಾರ್ಖಾನೆ KIOCL ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಪಣಂಬೂರ್ ಇತಿಯಿಂದ ನಾವು 5th ಕುದ್ರೆಮುಖ್ ಟ್ರೋಫಿ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. 10th and 11th 2 ದಿನ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಕುದ್ರೆಮುಖ್ ಟ್ರೋಫಿ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 416 ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದರು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 181 ನಾವು ಟ್ರೋಫೀಸನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಬಾಕಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಗಿಫ್ಟನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅವರು ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದೇ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೆಂಟ್ಸು, ಅವ್ರ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸು, ಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಆಜಾದಿಗೆ ಅಮೃತ್ ಮಹೋತ್ಸವ ಮತ್ತು CSR ಇದರಿಂದ ಅಡಿಯಿಂದ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನು ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ವಿನ್ನರ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೋವಾ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ 30,000 ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಟ್ರೋಫಿ, ಮತ್ತು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ತಮಿಳ್ನಾಡಿಗೆ 20,000 ಮತ್ತು ಟ್ರೋಫಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಮತ್ತು ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಿಂದ ಅವರಿಗೆ 10,000 ಮತ್ತು ಟ್ರೋಫಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ.